I'm at the next location now, Kopakonen, which is absolutely amazing. We've got a stunning statue down on the beach, which I'm going to be heading down to. I'm just going to capture some images on the way down as well. It's quite a, they're not really steep steps. There's a few steps down, but not too bad. You can see it attracts quite a few people. But what you can see, if I just go up a little bit, absolutely beautiful setting. Look at that backdrop. So I'm going to head on down the final few steps and just see what images we can do. We've just done the waterfall behind us and got some images there. Let's head on down and capture some images of the statue in the context of the fjord and the cliffs. So what I'm going to do here, we've got the statue in front of the cliffs and the waterfalls and the fjord in the background. So what I'm going to do is concentrate on a low aperture here to just give that haze in the background, just a little bit of blur, not too much, not too dramatic, and to really focus on the statue to give that the context and to capture the moodiness, the atmosphere of the sky in the background. So let me take some of those. And I'm also gonna, by the way, just have a little nosy around. There's some lovely breaking waves. So I'm gonna see if I can get some in the context of the breaking waves as well. And I know I've mentioned it on my channels before, but it's really important to look around and on location. What I've noticed is all these little rock pools with the statue behind. So I'm gonna capture some, potentially a reflection. It's a little bit breezy. It's not perfect conditions for a good reflection, but I'm going to see. I'm trying not to fall in any of the rock pools, by the way. And there's some beautiful waterfalls as well. So this waterfall behind, I'm going to try and capture something on this waterfall too. So let's see what we can capture, because as I say, whenever on location, scope out the location, and that's what I've been doing here. And talking about scoping out the area, look at this waterfall, absolutely fantastic. But what we've got a reflection now. I know we can often get reflection, but this is in a rock pool of the waterfall as well. So that's absolutely stunning. But what I've done, I've just applied my polarizing filter just to enhance the reflection and just to give me a couple of stops to really pull back and get that reflection. So again, these are things you need to look at when you're on location. And this scenery is just absolutely stunning. There's some showers coming down the valley, the fjord as well. So I'm going to try and capture some of those. Please remember, if you've liked this video, to like and subscribe, and remember to check out the rest. Turn on notifications so that you get a notification of when I release the rest of the Faroe Islands videos, and also check out some of my other videos on the channel.